Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I have a pretty serious video for you guys. I'm sure we all already know about the gas prices. That's what everyone's talking about, how expensive gas is nowadays. This is directly affecting Uber drivers and passengers too. So Uber drivers have been quitting left and right. This is lowering the supply of Uber drivers, so there's a higher demand, the rates are getting higher. It's just creating a bunch of problems, basically like a snowball effect of like all these problems happening because of the increase in gas prices. That's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. But before we get started, if you want to sign up to be a Lyft driver, we have a sign up link in the description where you can get a guaranteed bonus of up to $1,000. Plus, if you're a rideshare driver and you want a way to make a little bit of extra money, Octopus is this awesome company that will equip your vehicle with a tablet. So they put this HD tablet in your car with a mount that goes on the back of like your passenger seat, and your passengers can just like play games on there. They run advertisements on there. You can check the weather, just like a bunch of cool things to keep your passenger entertained. If you do 100 trips in a month, you can qualify to get that for free. Plus, it can help you make an extra $100 per month. So it's a cool way to make like a little bit of passive income because you're just gonna be driving anyways. But anyways, let's just get started with the video. So I have this article here from News Channel 8. This article says that AAA drivers in Florida are paying $4.53 for gas per gallon, which is the highest price ever recorded. When I lived in LA, the gas was already like more than that, but now the gas is like $8 a gallon or something crazy like that in LA. So it's really just like it's going up everywhere. So I'm sure for Florida, $4.53 is like way more than whatever it was before. So the unfortunate thing that's happening to Uber is that passengers are saying that every time they log into the app, there's just like way less drivers. They're a lot slower. The pickup time to wait is way longer than usual, and they're just seeing way less profit than ever before, and it's like it doesn't even like feel worth it at that point, you know what I mean? People are literally feeling robbed by Uber. So whether you're a passenger or a driver, there isn't really anything positive on either end. And this one driver said he used to never see rides that would pay under $4, and now there's rides that are paying like $3.98. That's definitely not a lot of money to be getting. Some of the rides are paying less than a gallon of gas. And if the ride itself is using more than a gallon of gas and you're not even making that money back, or like even if you are making the money back plus like only a little bit more, it's still like not that worth it, because then most of your income is going towards gas. So because of all these Uber drivers quitting, Uber actually decided to create a surcharge, and they would temporarily charge riders an extra 55 cents per ride, and that money goes directly towards drivers, which honestly I don't think that's enough money. Like if you're only getting like half a dollar more per ride, like it really doesn't add up to that much. Like yeah, I guess it helps a little bit, but like not really. I don't know, like let me know what you guys think, but I think that's like, I think Uber should be doing way more to help their drivers. Even in the article, this one driver is saying that he doesn't even see where the surcharge is going, and he feels like he hasn't felt any relief at all, and that Uber should be doing way more to help their drivers. He literally spends up to $200 a week per gas. So, and that's in Florida, where the gas is like $4.50. Imagine in LA, Uber drivers in LA must be spending like $400 a week on gas, with the gas being like $8 a gallon. So another problem with this is that Uber shows how much the driver is gonna make before they accept the trip, and like that's before tip too. If there's someone trying to get a ride and it's not gonna pay the driver that much, like what driver is gonna accept that? So then like less people are gonna want to use Ubers because they're gonna have such a hard time getting a ride. They'll just be like, okay, like this isn't even worth it anymore. I might as well like call a taxi or take the bus or something. So yeah, anyways, News Channel 8 actually reached out to Uber themselves to get a statement from them, and they said they're gonna temporarily extend the gas surcharge, and they're gonna continue to listen to drivers' feedback because they want to continue to make changes to accommodate for the drivers, which I mean, in my opinion, I think they should be doing more they're literally like a multi-million-dollar company. They could definitely pay their drivers more than just like an extra 55 cents, which isn't even the company paying them, it's the passenger paying that extra 55 cents. I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your guys' opinion. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.